Welcome back to the DTC Concepts YouTube channel. I am back again with a list of 5 things. I seem to have been falling into a rhythm where 5 seems easier to digest and also to deliver than 10. So here are 5 quick home organization tips and tricks that you can use in your space, ranging from super easy to moderately easy in no particular order. So, number 1, clear food containers for your pantry. These are fantastic. You can put anything in them, and then you can write on the cute little label on the front that comes on there, this is Sun Chips. I'm just saying that because it's the last thing I saw when I opened my pantry today. Okay, so that's number 1. Good looking food storage containers, fantastic. You know, you can wash them, and then you can put new stuff in it. It stays fresher longer, and it looks better, and it just makes your pantry a little less chaotic. So, all right. Number 2, sorry, I'm looking down at my notes here. Drawer organizers for any drawer. I'm a firm believer there is no such thing as a junk drawer. There's just a drawer you have failed to organize. So, whether it's in the kitchen for utensils, for knives, or in your nightstand for watches or bracelets or necklaces, you can put drawer organizers into anything. I even have them in what normally would be considered a junk drawer, and it helps me organize the things that I need regularly, like an extra charger, batteries for my kid's 50th remote control car that he's gonna break, whatever it is, it's organized with those drawer organizers. All right, so number 2, drawer organizers, fantastic. 3, bins for your linen closet. Whatever kind of bin you like. You can get fabric, you can get plastic and clear so you can see through it. But just organize things, it makes it easy to pull out. I've got one, you know, it's got medicine, it's got, I'm old, so my daily, you know, pills that I gotta take, and you can just, rather than having everything thrown in there, organize it into sections, into bins that you use, easily pull them out. It's fantastic. Okay, number 4. This one's a little bit higher involvement, higher effort from you, but Alpha organizers from Container Store. We use them regularly in projects. They're much cheaper than doing, you know, full wood built-in closets, and they're just as functional. Now, if you've got the budget and you want to go get something nicer, fantastic. I'd love to come over and hang out in your closet. But for most people, if you're just looking for an affordable solution to organize chaos in your closet, the Alpha Storage from Container Store is fantastic. It's easy to install. You can do it yourself. I highly recommend using their installation services if, you know, you're not wanting to deal with it, but it's definitely not hard. I have put them in myself. I love them. They're fantastic. So that's number 4. 5, back to something easy, pots and pans organizers for your kitchen. When you're remodeling your kitchen, I know that there's all of the things that you can get in the drawers that preset what's going to go in there. And if you have the budget to do it and you think you know exactly where everything is going to go, fantastic. Do that. But if you're like me, you probably don't know where everything's going to go, or it's going to switch depending on life or whatever. But for like 20 bucks, you can get yourself some great organizers off of Amazon. Slide those pans right in there, nice and easy, rather than trying to get everything out of there. It's just slots. Just like that. Love it. So, okay, hopefully that was helpful. 5 things that help make your home more organized. I'm going to go back through. We've got 1, clear food containers that you can write on. 2, drawer organizers that you can put all your watches in. 3, bins for the linen closet. Keep things organized. 4, Alpha Storage. Oh, I love it so much. 5, pots and pans organizers. So, hopefully you find those useful. Please give us a like and a subscribe. I will come back with more tips and tricks.